What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually gonna be heading down to San Diego, back to my hometown I guess, to go test out some new wheels for the TSX. They are 17, so we'll talk more about it later when I test fit them. I'm heading down to my homie's John shop, OEMplus.us or OEM Plus. We're gonna see if the wheels clear my calipers, because the thing that I'm most worried about is if they clear my Brembles from the TL Type S. And we already tried test fitting 17x9 plus 45 on my car, and they don't clear. You need like a 5mm, and I'm not trying to run any spacers unless it's really needed. But I think the new wheels I'm trying out, they will clear the calipers, hopefully, just due to the face design. These CEs, they're already gone. I already got rid of them, technically, once I go look at the new wheels. It should be like an hour and like 10 minutes from here. It's a Saturday, it's July 4th weekend. Everybody have a good July 4th. There shouldn't be any traffic because everyone's out for vacation. Yeah, so it's like an hour and 14 minutes. Made it to John's shop, not SD, but he's not here yet. He'll be here like in 15 minutes. I got here a little bit early. I just got some food. But before he comes, I want to talk about some good news. I'm actually finally moving to my new place in 2 weeks, so on the 15th. So July 15th, I'm gonna be moving in, and it has, like I said, a 2-car garage, which is like one of the things that I really want, so I can work on my car and create more content for you guys. Having no garage and being at a apartment where you have to work on your car outside, or if they even allow it, is really hard. When I lowered this car more, and when I did just like small things like replace the fender on my white T6, I did that in a parking lot in a park, which sounds funny, but it was actually pretty cool doing it like that. But I do kind of just miss having a garage just so I can, like, you know, just rent and just do whatever I want to do. And thank God I have a lot of parts lined up. I have the whole care package from Hybrid Racing. I think that might be the next video of me installing the shifter. I'm not too sure. And I've been trying to record a lot more of just in general, like what I used to do back then, and just hang out with friends, checking out parts, or checking out cars. I mean, I cannot wait. I need to bring some tools over from my place in SD, so I need to grab some tools. I mean, I have a toolkit from like Craftsman that is like 270 pieces, which I think is enough, but if you're trying to do other like things, it's not enough. So I know I need to get pliers, needle nose pliers, whatever. Probably a breaker bar or something. I need jack stands, so I'll probably just go buy some jack stands or something. Another thing is I need a clutch and a flywheel for this car. I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of T6s, or not a lot of T6s, if you own a T6 or even a Civic S, like an FA5, you guys know that there's some throttle input lag. And especially on the T6, when you come to a standstill, like before you roll off from a stop, when your car's in first gear, or, you know, like you're trying to lunge off the side, if your car's still rolling a little bit and it gets to the very point where it's like about to slow down, and then you add, you know, you let go of your clutch and go into first and go, it doesn't respond. There's like a delay. And then I was talking with Angel, the one with the white T6, he was saying that they have this thing where it shuts off the injectors when you're at like a certain speed and gear or something, like when you come to a standstill, because it's like I think to save gas or something like that. The only way to remove it and remove all the throttle input lag on T6s is by getting Honda Flash Pro. Since this car's an 06, I need to get an 07 to 08 T6 manual ECU. You can use the auto. Auto is a lot cheaper versus getting a manual. Manual is pretty expensive. You can get an auto, and the only difference is if I looked at it right or read it right, and people were commenting on my photo or my video the other day saying that if I do an automatic, it disables reverse lockout. But I don't see a need for that, because, you know, when you're driving, there's no way you can go in reverse unless, I don't know how, but I don't think you can, especially due to how the shifters are. I might just get an auto ECU, get a Flash Pro, and of course you need the harness from Honda where you have to convert you just have to change like 2 pins, D-pin and repin it. I plan on getting a new clutch and flywheel set up, mainly because I think the clutch in this is going out. Well, not the clutch, I think the throwout bearing is going out. I'm gonna see if I can get like a stage 1 XZD or an action clutch or something for a K series with a light flywheel, because of course a lighter flywheel makes a huge difference. All right, Kai's here, John's here, Lee's here, and then Bill's here with his I forgot what that is, GX or something. But here's Lee's car. If you guys haven't followed my channel back then, I haven't seen his car in probably like a year or so, and he's done so much different stuff. And if you guys are OG subscribers, know that back then me and Lee put this engine in that's currently in there still in the backyard of his, or in his backyard in dirt. but I've documented his build a lot too. But now it's kind of at this stage where it's way too expensive to build, as in like specific parts and stuff. And he's been through a lot of changes. Damn, you guys look dark as hell on my camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's Lee. There's Bill.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys know Lee? Throwback. Huh?
East Asian.
East Asians. I'm dark too. Alright, Lee, give me a walk around of your car. It's been so long. Stop.
Full bolt on.
I got a spoon in one. I don't know, when's the last time I filmed your car?
Off the shelf stuff.
Off the shelf stuff?
A year ago, I think.
A year ago? No, it has to be longer than that.
2 years ago. Does it work?
A year and a half too.
Yeah. Yeah?
I wish I had enough seat.
I know.
Yeah. Spoon cereal energy quicklies now? Wait, you have a quicklies now? That's hella fucking new. Hey, yo, pop the hood, G. So what, I disconnect this first?
No.
Wait.
You have to pop the thing first and then, yeah.
Woo! Who else calling me?
Off the shelf stuff.
Hi, I'm filming a video.
You won't believe what the fuck I just found.
What?
The motor.
Look at this headlight duct.
The motor, I don't care. I want all power, so I won't throw it.
And it's actually functional. Go straight to his intake. Damn, that's a big filter.
Yeah?
You know what's funny? On my ITV set, I used to have like kind of like similar setup with the Magna fuel, I think.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Shit. Clear red.
Filter's awesome.
Yeah. Ooh, that's actually fancy. What is this? Renegade? Oh. Wait, this is a brand new solder, huh?
Brand new.
Yeah, baller.
Everybody that I've seen has like rusted ones.
Dude, I used to have one, but actually mine wasn't rusted. It was like old.
And I'm sure it's just cosmetic, but I just wanted a brand new one. You know what I mean? Because that shit's gonna be discontinued in the future, and you can't get it. So might as well just get it now.
Yeah, no, you know that's what I tell everybody. It's
Yeah.
like if you could get it now, you might as well get it. What
Yep.
the hell is this? Weak Fest?
No, Weenie Fest.
Oh, Weenie Fest? Oh, wow, I didn't know he made oil cup. Damn,
Love
shit's
that oil
hot.
cup.
What the
Thanks,
fuck?
Anthony.
Koi packs. This is, I really like this one. This is super slim.
Yeah, Novice. Super cool guy from Fresno.
Wait, you had your Integra hair?
Yeah, I brought it.
Oh, sorry, I'm filming a video. Hi, that's John. Oh, Cusco. You went Cusco, huh?
Yeah.
So you got rid of all the. Wait, you didn't have a spoon one, did you?
No.
No? Cusco strip bar. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is actually like one of the best things you can still buy too, I think. Into. Wow, it's so fancy now.
Still a little bit of a mess though.
Oh, you got a skunk tooth rod by now too. It's bigger too.
No, same size.
Same size. Now if you could tell that's ported. I think when we put the motor back in, it wasn't ported, right?
No.
No. And fuel rail.
Yeah. Not much change. I did new.
I see a traction bar though now.
On the mounts because remember I had the red ones.
Oh yeah, you blew them up.
Yeah.
I remember.
Now I went
What are these, 75s?
to the race one, like one step before the race.
What is that, like 75As?
No, I think like 80.
80s? Dude, that's hella
I think
stiff.
90s are the. Pretty cool. Just press them in.
You know, I actually like your car more with this Valco versus the Mugen with the color match one.
Yeah.
This looks so much cleaner. It just brings out the engine bay more because of the red.
Yeah. The homie Kevin from the team told me to switch it up, and it came out good.
Wait, did he paint it?
No, Charlie from IG, that one guy that does all.
Oh, Charlie Moa?
Yeah.
Okay.
He did awesome.
Dude, he actually did a really good job on the wrinkle. Like, normally, like, I've done wrinkle paint jobs before and he has too, and normally there'll be like high and low spots, but this is like perfect.
So we shaved off the H, shaved off the breather nipple.
Oh yeah.
I didn't do the cut because I kind of wanted to cover the cam gears and stuff
Yeah.
and not expose the timing belt anymore. Because I'd be driving pretty far out and, you know.
Yeah, this thing's super reliable.
Yeah.
And this thing's, oh, exceed front lip too. Forgot that. Man, this dude's car is so much faster than before when I first met him. Or when we first put the motor in. It was already fast and it got faster and now it's even faster. And yeah. It's on nitrous. Oh. Dude, you cut those circles so perfect. Did you use a giant hole saw?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh shit. That's actually cool. Dude, it just fits right in there?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, damn.
Joey got it for me from Japan, and he told me to put it in the front, and we did because he had a spare one, and we kind of mocked it up.
It didn't fit proper, or it didn't look right?
Perfect. It's just that
you didn't like it?
No, I didn't have any piping to attach it to the thing, so I just like, fuck it, I just stuck it right there.
Honestly, you can make a duck for that too, though.
Yeah.
I feel like you can just make it go like side.
Yeah. But I don't know, I just left it alone.
That's fine. It looks good there. This is a.
So I covered it because it spits out oil.
Oh, too much. I think too much back pressure.
Yeah.
Or crankcase pressure, I mean.
Yeah. So I just covered it. Yeah. And this stuff is actually flame retardant, so if it ever catch on fire.
No, wait, really?
Well, it won't catch on fire, sorry.
It won't catch on fire.
I need to get one for this, because this would definitely catch on fire without it.
Yeah, that definitely will. That shit's huge though, what the hell? That's an ITR Master, right?
No, it's stock LS.
Why is it so big?
Because it's stock.
What? That makes no sense. It's stock because it's big? Or it's big because it's stock?
I guess.
Look at I think this is Checker Sports cup holder. I think we don't have a cup holder. Is that an ITR shifter?
Yeah, ITR shifter.
No, you polished it?
Battlecraft knob.
Yeah.
I love Battlecraft knobs, man. They're just so nice. And then Checker Sports cup holder.
Yeah, dude. I was like, does that work well?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a job?
Yep.
Yeah.
See all the stains from the carpet? Because I didn't have one back then.
Yeah, I remember. I remember like, damn, all bad. It's all good. SPG. But yeah, this guy's on bottom.
But it's just less stuff for the track guys.
Spoon wheel.
Yeah, you gotta.
This is what mine would look like if I had a horn button. Oh my god, you finally have a wideband gauge.
Actually, I was looking.
You actually finally have a wideband gauge.
The trash I could for me.
What?
A cigarette in my mouth. While we're like negotiating.
I seen this. Yeah.
And then go ahead and build.
That's crazy because the time I sold my hatch, he was actually thinking about selling his car too. But I'm glad he didn't because he actually ended up putting more work into the car. And now these things are worth so much. Especially all the parts are on it. Must be nice. Got twin blocks.
What's FMS? What's that?
FMS is a company run.
Well guys, that's it for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next video. In the next video we're going to be doing a walk around of John's shop OEM Plus. So I'll be showing you guys the inside and what he has for sale, and it's a pretty cool shop. So peace out guys, don't miss others, and just keep building. And if you guys are wondering where I'm at, we are actually in my new apartment. So I'll show you guys that probably like later on or something. And of course the garage later on.